Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Yoga Tab 11, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So, to get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool, kind of like this one, which comes provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the same side where you have your volume rockers right here and the power button. See it right over here. This cutout right here. Find the insert pin and then push it in. And as you can see, the tray comes out ever so slightly. Now for you to use your fingernails to pull it out. Now on the tray you have space for SD card and a SIM card. I'm going to be occupying both of these trays. So there we go. Once you have your cards on the tray, carefully insert it back into the device. There's nothing holding those cards on the tray, so they could just fall out, as you can see. Now once you insert your cards, they should start working right away. As you can see, there's the SD card. It's giving me some kind of issue, but it is detecting it. I will just need to format it. And let's see if it's going to find network. Oh, there we go. It took a while to find reception, but you can see 3G and it's giving me reception right now. So there we go. Both of them are working just fine. Now, like I mentioned, for me with the SD card, it's giving me a, where was it? Right here, issue with SD card, tap to fix. So obviously just, if you have the same thing, just tap on it. It will tell you that you need to format it. If you have the same kind of message, just keep in mind that by formatting your SD card, you will remove all the data from it. So if you have anything on there that you just want to use here, make a copy of it before, pop it in here, format, and then take it out and then copy the data back onto the card and then use it. A little convoluted, but just a little heads up. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.